How much does it cost to hire a tenant rep? A question I get asked a lot is, what is a tenant rep broker and what does it cost to hire you? Hi, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and our channel is designed to help business owners and managers make the best real estate decisions for their business's real estate. If you are new here, please be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to get notifications on all our videos. Now let's dive in. A tenant rep is someone who is hired to represent the tenant's best interest. They don't represent landlords or sellers, so there aren't any conflicts of interest. In most cases, landlords hire an agent to represent the building, and that agent has the landlord's best interest in mind. Conversely, a tenant rep is an advocate for the tenant. They are there to make sure you save valuable time and avoid the pitfalls and costly complications that occur when you aren't represented or represented poorly. Furthermore, they will save you a substantial amount of money by way of lease concessions. Knowing that your interests are protected, you can have the peace of mind that you are in the best property and you have achieved the best terms available with maximum flexibility. If you are acting as a tenant or a buyer, you should never pay a dime for representation. In both residential and commercial real estate, the industry standard is for landlords and sellers to pay commissions to both their agent and the buyer's or tenant's agent. Lease commissions are calculated by taking a percentage of the total aggregate rent a tenant pays over the term of the lease, and landlords have calculated these fees into their costs of doing business. Tenants often make the mistake that they will get a better deal by going directly to the landlord's agent, thinking that the landlord won't need to pay both sides of a commission. Unfortunately, this isn't the case. The landlord is still contractually obligated to pay the fee to its agent. They just get a higher percentage. Many tenants and buyers try this approach only to discover that the landlord's rep doesn't have their interests in mind, and the space may not be the best location or option for them. And more importantly, they aren't sure that they're receiving the best possible terms. The stakes are too high in a commercial lease, and there aren't any do-overs. The result of messing up a commercial real estate transaction, choosing the wrong property, or not fully evaluating all the costs involved can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. At no cost to you, hiring a tenant rep broker who acts in your best interest is the best way to ensure you get the best terms. So the real question is, how much does it cost not to hire a commercial real estate agent as a tenant rep for you and your business? Commercial real estate is incredibly complex, and if you aren't an insider, good information can be difficult to come by. In my practice, I am always learning and growing, and I like to diligently serve my clients to provide them with the best tools to make the right decision for their business's real estate. So if you have any specific questions or comments about anything I've said, feel free to contact me directly by email or phone, or leave a comment below. If you found value or liked the video and would like more information about how to properly navigate the commercial real estate world, check out these other videos. Thanks again. I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you again.